Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are decorating my currently page for February 2024, which I have franken planned. I'll show you what I did with that. And then I just have a blank notes page here. Last month I used it for just some goals that I wanted to have, but this time I want it just to be like a notes page, almost like to-dos for the month and whatnot. So I'm gonna just lightly decorate this page to match the currently. So what I did was, I've mentioned a couple times Michael's. I got, let's see, I'll show you this planner. I only paid like $12 for it. Michael's had a really good sale, so I ended up buying 2 of them. Ooh, that's really dirty. But I took, so what I'm doing right now is I'm taking the currently page out of the extra planner and I'm attaching it to the back of the monthly spread where I honestly think it should be. So this is on the back of the monthly spread, but in order for me to do that, I have to actually take one of these pages. So like one of these pages out of this planner as well, and attach a blank sheet to it to make it work. Hopefully you saw this Plan With Me video already. But so anyways, I'm going to decorate both pages and I want them to match my monthly. So I'm going to be using the same stickers, which are Cupid's arrow. And then I'm also going to be using my word of the year, trust, Proverbs 3:5-6. And I'm going to be using, since this is February, I want a quote that says something about love. So I'm going to use Faith Quotes 3 in the large size. And I'm going to use Loved, John 3:16. So let's go ahead and pull these out of my planner and get started decorating. Alright, so what do I want to do here? I think I want to use the big stickers on this layout. So I want to take, where do I want my quote? I think I want my quote over here. So I'm going to decorate with big stickers to begin with down at the bottom. And then we're going to put my quote down here. I think this is the same sticker I used on the other side at the bottom corner, or on my monthly. Let's see. Yep. But that's okay. All right, and so now I want to take my quote and put it, let's see, is there some things I gotta think here. I think I'm just going to put the quote, like line it to the bottom of the page. And you know what would be really cute, maybe, possibly, is if I take one of these hearts and lay over that O in the quote. Would that be cute? Let's try it. I think we'll use this one. It's so cute. You can hardly see it because of the black, but I know it's there and it's cute. And if I press down, I can still see the florals inside of there. It's pretty. So, okay. What else do we want to do over here? That's probably good enough over here. All right, so let's take and decorate on this side. I think we're going to use this big one over here. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then I'm going to take a little jar, I think, because I like these little jars. The little mason jars with the floral. I think that's so pretty. And we're just going to put one up here, and then I'm going to put my trust with it. So, trust, where are you? And I think I'm going to use this one. It's probably going to be a quick video, but that's cool. Look how cute it is. I love it already. Yeah, very simple, very cute. Let's see. Not really much else I want to do. Let's find some washi to put in here. We need some washi. And maybe another heart. Where can we put some more hearts? Let's put a heart up here with February. I mean, I could put some boxes in here, but I don't need to. I just want to write. So, okay. Let me find some washi. I found this really cute washi. It's got little hearts on it. This blue color doesn't match perfectly with the color in this, or the colors in the spread, but I think it's still going to be pretty. Let's try it. I don't know where this washi came from, so I apologize. That's what happens when you've had washi for years and you don't keep it in original packaging. So I apologize. I don't know where it came from. It kind of looks like a Happy Planner washi, but I don't think it is. So yeah, that's really cute there. And then I think I'm just going to put a little bit under. Why don't we just put it like here? I can't really put it at the top because of the gold polka dots on this page, but I can put it here. So do I want to go all the way to the edge of the page or no? No, I don't think so. I think we're going to cut it like right here and right here. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that. Okay, so it's super simple, but super cute all at the same time, and I have plenty of room to write. So let's put it back in my planner. I think I'm finished with the spread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. I am having a new release on February 2nd, which is this coming Friday. Sign up over on my website for emails, like I said. Let me give you this little sneak peek of what is coming. So we have Violet Bliss in the 3 different sizes, large, small, and mini. Rainy Days. These sheets I have not cut yet on my Cricut, so that's why they look like this. Your stickers don't come in this format. They come on individual sheets. There's 2 here, and then there's 4 here. This is the mini size. And then we have Radiant Petals. I love these. These are super, super pretty. These would be really pretty in a Valentine's Day spread as well. So, all right. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. I thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.